Friends, my name is Muhammad Daimwas and you're watching Knowledge Bank. Today's our topic is importance of agriculture. So let's start our topic. Agriculture is one of the major sectors of the world economy. It is present in the country for thousands of years. Over the years, it has evolved and the use of new technologies and equipment replaced almost all the traditional methods of farming. Besides, there are still some small farmers that use the old traditional methods of agriculture because they lack the resources to use modern methods. Furthermore, dear friends, this is the only sector that contributed to the growth of not only itself but also of the other sector of the country. It is not wrong to say that the food we eat is the gift of agriculture, activities and farmers who work their sweat to provide us this food. In addition, the agriculture sector is one of the major contributors to gross domestic product and national income of the country. Also, it requires a large labor force and employs around 80% of the total employed people. The agriculture sector not only employs directly but also indirectly. Moreover, agriculture forms around 70% of our total exports. The main export items are tea, cotton, textiles, tobacco, sugar, jute products, spices, rice, and many other items. Dear friends, although agriculture is very beneficial for the economy and the people, there are some negative impacts too. These impacts are harmful to both environments as the people involved in this sector. Deforestation is the first negative impact of agriculture, as many forests have been cut down to turn them into agricultural land. Dear friends, also the use of river water for irrigation causes many small rivers and ponds to dry off, which disturb the natural habitat. Moreover, most of the chemical fertilizer and pesticides contaminate the land as well as water bodies nearby. Ultimately, it leads to topsoil depletion and contamination of groundwater. Dear friends, in conclusion, agriculture has given so much to society, but it has its own pros and cons that we cannot overlook. Furthermore, the government is doing his every bit to help in the growth and development of agriculture. Still, it needs to do something for the negative impact of agriculture to save the environment and the people involved in it. So dear friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos. Allah Hafiz.